Uchechi.
Landlord.
Tina.
Landlord.
Ken.
Landlord.
They've ended SAS. SAS have gone. They've gone. So I don't know the new security they will bring this time again. So and you know this small thief, picking pocket and all these upcoming hand robbers. I think they will see it as an advantage to be entering people's compound now. So what I'm saying is we have to be security conscious. That is the reason for this meeting. And last night I discovered that none of you, all of you, your bulbs were not shining. What is your problem? You don't unbulb again. No, you don't unbulb. We have to be security conscious. What's your problem?
Landlord. This one you're talking about security. But you too, your own bulb is not on at night though.
My dear, keep quiet. My bulb got burned yesterday and I'm buying new bulb today. So don't tell me that my bulb is not shining and your own will not shine.
Me too, my own is burnt.
Your own is burnt?
Yes.
Tina, how about you?
Even me, my own got burnt too.
Ken?
You too.
You too? So all of you now, my bulb burn and your bulb too are burn. Is it a coincidence? No, what's your problem?
Maybe now God do it.
Now God do am. God did it. God burn our bulb. God, thank you for burning our bulb. It's okay. It's okay. In that case, all of you will bring money so that I'll go and buy bulb for everybody, including myself.
Landlord. Ordinary bulb that we can buy by ourselves. We should bring money again.
Ordinary bulb that you can buy by yourself? What do you know about bulb? Go and bring money. You're telling me ordinary bulb?
Landlord. But this is your compound now. You should be the one buying the bulbs.
Okay, this is my compound.
Yes.
I will give you house, give you toilet inside it, and shower. I'll still give you bulb. Laugh for yourself.
Landlord, Uchechi is right. Even if we are to buy bulb, why will you buy bulb for us? Let's buy the bulb by ourselves.
My dear, keep quiet. What do you know about buying bulb? Do you know original bulb? Can you buy original bulb? Look at your hair. You're already having fake hairs on your hair. So that you can buy me fake bulb like your hair. If I check your armpit now, you have fake hair inside it. Nonsense. Go and bring money before I change it for you people. Want me to quit notice you? Nonsense.
Landlord, stop shouting. This one you're shouting now will not stop anything. Just tell us how much is the bulb.
1,000. Yes.
1,000.
Original bulb.
For ordinary bulb.
Landlord, are we buying electricity pool?
Ken, are you bringing the money now or not? Are you bringing it or not?
Landlord, see what me I can give you now is 100 naira. That's what I have.
Bring it. I'll buy you 100 naira bulb.
Landlord, what I have is 200 naira.
I'll buy you 200 naira bulb.
Buy it.
Landlord, me I have 50 naira.
You're giving me 15 naira.
Landlord, this is what I have.
And you are serious? No problem. I'll buy you candle. End of discussion, In the next 30 minutes, come out and take your bulbs. Please, I'm done with you. You can go.
Okay.
Ken, you can go, all of you, you can go.
Stop shouting now. After you shouting at somebody.
Look at. John, come here. Look at. You're hiding. No, you're peeping the compound, Abi.
Landlord.
You were not in the meeting.
How can you call me meeting with those ladies?
What do you mean? Why would I call you meeting with ladies? John, are you not my tenant?
Okay, by now, you should have made me the caretaker of this compound.
Look at you. Says who? Says who? How many years have you stayed in this compound?
Landlord, to stay in a compound 5 years is not a beans.
Now, Beans, listen to me. Until you stay 12 years, then I'll make you my caretaker. Nonsense. Are you telling me that Ken that attended that meeting is an idiot?
Ken? Who be Ken? That behave like women.
No, you behave like a man. You're a man. Listen, if not that, you are one of my tenants that doesn't give me headache, I would have punished you. What's your problem? Listen to me. We discussed about Bob. That was the meeting for today.
Bob?
So everybody has contributed money for Bob, except Ken that gave me 15 naira. I'll soon punish him.
You know I said Bob now.
You said Bob?
You know now.
Hey, I thought it's a DVD and electronics.
I sell Italian Bobs.
Italian Bobs.
Original Bobs.
Adechi.
Okay, landlord. Very affordable.
Hey, just like that.
Yes, now. I even have Infinity Watt Bulb.
In your shop?
Put it outside here. it will cover all this environment.
Eh?
As cheap as 15 naira.
Abubakar, see security. See security. It's okay, no problem, eh? I trust you. What will happen is, you said they are cheap.
Very cheap.
And that means I'll still have change for the charge card.
Yes, now.
But start coming to meeting.
Alright.
Start coming to meeting.
I'll start coming to meeting.
Let's go and have it.
All right.
This is your shop, Abi.
This is my shop.
I'm going to go and bring the bulbs.
See the bulb here now.
Which one of the bulbs are here?
These are Italian bulbs.
These ones.
See this bulb? Very active bulbs.
I was thinking you would go inside and bring bulbs. These things I'm seeing here, are they the Italian bulbs?
These are Italian bulbs.
It's okay, no problem. Which one is the infinity this thing?
Look at this one. This one is 100 watts. Yeah, look at this one. This one that has screw. So it's 200 watts. Yes. Oh, look at this one. This one is infinity watts.
Infinity watts.
Put it outside. It shines till infinity.
Just like that.
Just like that.
So how much is the total figure?
200 naira.
Don't deceive me, John. The one looking at you, you look like who will deceive me.
Okay, Lord.
People paid for this bulb, oh. I don't want to hear story.
I will not cheat you.
Package it. What kind of a headache is this? See, this bulb is not lighting.
Oga Lodo.
Huh?
What kind of bulb is this? Now it's not working.
Your own bulb?
Eh.
Let me see it. That's it. Give me.
Oga landlord,
Huh?
what kind of bulb is this one now?
Your own too?
It's not.
Abubakar. Give me, let me see. Give me.
Landlord, what did you buy for us now?
Okay, your own too?
It's not working.
Hey, what kind of problem? This is a temptation, no? It's okay, it's an Italian bulb, eh? I'll go and change it.
Italian.
Just go home and sleep like a baby and come in.
Italian.
Okay, now please don't waste
2
time.
minutes, 2 minutes. John. Chorise potamuku eji. People will know that I bought this thing cheap. Look at. John, what is this?
Okay, Lord, what happened now?
What did you say for me?
What happened?
Are you crazy? These bulbs are fake.
Fake?
The whole bulbs are fake. The whole bulbs are fake.
Okay, Lord, these are Italian bulbs. They hardly fail. What happened to the bulbs?
You will die in Italian. Italian will kill you. That I bought bulb from you. Everybody is returning their bulb that the thing is not lighting, including my own. You're telling me Italian. What is Italian?
Calm down. What happened to the bulb?
I went home with the bulb. I plug it. The bulb did not light. That is what happened. So to everybody.
Okay, this bulb, did you plug it first before you on the switch? Or do you on the switch first before you plug the bulb?
What kind of stupid question is this?
I know I'm asking you. You have to answer me.
Okay, I on the switch before plugging.
You on it first?
Yes.
So fault now.
Is whose fault?
You have blown the bulb.
I blow the bulb.
You have blown the bulb.
So what are you saying?
Okay, Lord, this bulb are sensitive bulb.
What do you mean?
This bulb, before you plug it, you off the switch first.
So what are you saying?
Buy another one.
I should buy another one.
Yes, now.
No problem. Are these ones the same thing?
They're the same thing.
Infinity.
Infinity wattage.
Package it.
That bulb is more like that one.
Abubakar. John, listen. I hope this thing will not happen again. How much did I pay you that time?
200 naira.
Take. I don't want to hear story.
Okay, Lord, listen very well, This bulb, they are sensitive bulb. Before you plug the bulb off the switch,
My friend.
do not say I did not tell you.
And let me tell you, if I come back here with this same complaint, you will not like me. Look at. Thief. You will not like me if I come back again.
Landlord. No need to talk. Where did you say buy this thing from? That side.
That side.
Oh yeah, take us there. Move there, go.
Let's go.
Take us there.
Get stop touching me! How much did you pay?
Let's go. 50, yeah, let's go.
Stop that! I'll give you quick notice. This is idiot.
John,
This is idiot.
You, Oga landlord.
So you did not come meeting for this money, but you want to involve money, abi?
Close your mouth there.
Don't tell me to close my mouth.
Mafe, keep quiet. You sold rubbish.
The boy fail you again.
What is the boy fair again? You sold rubbish. I'm telling you. You're asking me the boy fair again.
so you're the one that sold those rubbish bulb to us.
What do you know about Bob?
If I not you,
What do you know about Bob? I sold Italian Bob to Oga
The
landlord.
Italian bulb kill you. Listen to me. All those bulbs you sold was rubbish. And the whole of that bulb, no one was lighting. Nonsense.
Calm down. That Bob may have failed you as an Italian Bob. But listen. Oga landlord, listen. I have Japanese original Bob.
Japa what?
Japanese original Bob.
Japanese original bulb.
Yes.
Uh,
I'm giving you my word. If that Bob fail you, beat me.
go and bring it.
Look at it. Japanese original Bob.
Test it first.
You got test. Is it lighting?
I don't see any light.
John. Why is this one not lighting?
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know. Okay, in that case, we're not buying again. Since you don't know, can you refund us our money?
I've used it and eat biscuits.
You get biscuit with our money. John, come out. Come like this. Look at it. Finish him. Yes. Thank you very much for that wonderful video. You guys are good. We love you. In fact, we love you all. You understand me? Now, this is Bro John Comedy. Please go and subscribe to his channel now. His channel link is under here. See him? Just go there, you see it. You understand? Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Make sure this video reaches everybody around you, including your enemy. Babies, what do you have to say?
Please give us a massive share, viral share, give us a comment, and don't forget to like and follow our page.
Yeah.
Bro John Comedy. Please subscribe. And again, before I forget myself, I remain your honorable and wonderful landlord.
Our humble landlord. Our very landlord is here, man.
Landlord with the ball.
I'm telling you.
Please, subscribe to my channel too.
I'm telling you.
But subscribe more to his own.